Yamaha has officially launched a new era in MotoGP by introducing the V4-powered Yamaha YZR-M1, marking the most radical technical shift in the brand's racing history. After decades of relying on an inline-4 engine, Yamaha is finally embracing the V4 layout to compete in modern MotoGP. This decision came after several challenging seasons, where Yamaha struggled against rivals who had long benefited from V4 engines. While the inline-4 was known for its smooth power delivery and excellent corner speed, MotoGP's current demands require stronger acceleration, better braking stability, and greater overall performance potential. According to Yamaha Motor Racing President Takahiro Sumi, the new V4 engine delivers improved stability under braking, allowing the bike to remain more controlled when entering corners at high speed. Just as important, the V4 configuration offers greater acceleration potential, helping riders drive harder out of corners, an area where the Yamaha has been losing ground. Because the V4 engine is more compact than the inline-4, Yamaha has completely reworked the internal layout of the YZR-M1. The fuel tank position, electronics packaging, and heat management systems have all been redesigned to maximize performance while maintaining Yamaha's signature handling balance. Visually, the bike does not look dramatically different, but beneath the fairings there are key changes, including a new exhaust design and updated aerodynamic integration, bringing Yamaha closer to the modern MotoGP V4 philosophy. The V4-powered YZR-M1 is set to make its on-track debut during official MotoGP testing in Sepang, Malaysia. Yamaha has emphasized that the early part of the 2026 season will focus on data collection, fine-tuning the engine's character, and improving consistency over race distance. This project is not just about short-term gains. Yamaha has confirmed that the V4 engine will form the foundation for the 2027 MotoGP regulations, when engine capacity will be reduced from 1,000 cubic centimeters to 850 cubic centimeters. What Yamaha is building now is a long-term platform for future success. Fabio Quartararo has described the V4 as a major step forward and a fresh source of motivation for the entire team. While it is still early to judge its true performance, Yamaha believes this bold move finally gives them the development freedom needed to fight at the front again. The question now is no longer whether Yamaha needed to change, but how quickly this V4-powered YZR-M1 can return Yamaha to the top of MotoGP.